Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope that all of you are well. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to start a new class about possessive. This class is brought to you by Shirazganj Multilateral High School. Before going to start my class, I like to introduce myself. This is Mahbub Alom, Assistant Teacher of English from Shirazganj Multilateral High School, Shirazganj. This class belongs to class 9 and 10. Subject is English, second paper. Possessive is the most important topic in English grammar. So you have to know about possessive. When you will go through the textbook, you will get more possessive case or possessive nouns. Then you will be able to identify this. So let's start our class. Very first, I like to write some sentences. Suppose this is Salma's school. In this sentence, this is Salma's school. This is apostrophe S. And then number 2, this is a girls' school. Girls' school. You see, there is a difference between Salmas and girls. This is a girls' school. Here, girls takes S and then apostrophe is used. Salma then plus apostrophe S. So, in this way, we can make a possessive case or possessive noun. Here, Salmas and girls both are possessive. Both are possessive. Now, a question may be arised here. What is possessive? You see, what is possessive? What is possessive? Actually, possessive is nothing but it shows the relationship or ownership. Possessive shows the relationship or ownership. Actually, possession. Possessive is actually possession, that is ownership or relationship. Now, I will show you some examples and rules how we can make a possessive case or possessive nouns. How to make possessives. Number 1, singular noun plus apostrophe S. In this way, singular noun then apostrophe S. In this way, we can make possessive. Suppose Asad garden. Russell's house. Here, Asad is a singular noun, then apostrophe S. Russell is a singular noun, then apostrophe S. I have used here to make this possessive. Another rule, number 2 here, plural noun, plural noun, then apostrophe s. How the children, children plus apostrophe s equal children's. Children's park. You know, in our city, that is Shirazganj, there is a Russell Park. This is children's park, and then women's club. This is also plural noun, children and women and people, people's imagination. In this word, people's plus apostrophe is then imagination. So plural noun then plus apostrophe is, it also makes the possessive. Now there are some words which take s with their ending of the word. So in this case we write this is singular noun plus only apostrophe. How? Singular noun, but it takes only apostrophe to make possessive. This is kids poetry. Here kids is a noun, but it takes only apostrophe to make it possessive. Then Yeats poem. Yeats is also a poet, the name of a person. So Yeats takes only apostrophe, but not s, only apostrophe. And then Jesus, Jesus teachings. Jesus was the prophet before, who came before our prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Jesus. So Jesus teachings. This is also uh, possessive case. Now there are some combined word, that is combined possessives. Combined possessives. Combined possessives. Here you see Ronnie and Russell's farm. Farm. This is maybe the garden or the food growing place. So Ronnie and Russell's both are the owner of this farm. There is a farm which belongs to Ronnie and Russell. But if I write Ronnie's and Russell's garden, here you will understand that Ronnie has a garden and Russell had a gardens. So this is the separate garden, Ronnie's garden and also Russell's garden. In this way you can write the possessive case. This is called combined possessive. You know, there are some initials where we use the possessive, uh, that is some initials, initial, initial plus apostrophe s. How the PM, secretary, PM, you know, PM means Prime Minister. Our Honorable Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina. So the PM's secretary and the MP's house. You know, MP's member of parliament. In Shirazganj, you know, our Honorable MP is Habibi Millat Munna. So this is MP's house. It shows us the initials. There are some compound word. It also takes apostrophe s. Compound word, you know, compound word, compound word, compound word plus apostrophe s. Sister-in-law, sister-in-law house. You know, sister-in-law is a compound word. Here, law takes s apostrophe s to make it possessive. So, sister-in-law is also a possessive case. Here, brother, brothers in laws flat. Here you know, brother in laws takes apostrophe s, so this is also the possessive case. You know, I can write another example about it. There are some word that belongs to abstract noun, some abstract noun, some abstract noun, some abstract noun ending in CESS take only apostrophe. For example, justice sake, goodness sake. Here I have already used here only apostrophe. You see, justice takes only apostrophe and goodness takes only apostrophe. These are the example of abstract nouns. So it takes only apostrophe because it is ending with CE and SS. Now there are another example of possessive, number 8, that is non-living noun plus of. You have to use after non-living noun only of, without apostrophe s. Suppose the legs of chair, the legs of chair. Here, you know, legs, this is non-living thing, and chair also non-living thing. So if you want to make this type of possessive, you have to use of. Apostrophe s will not be used here. So this is the possessive case. And finally, I like to give you another example, 9 number, that is 1, everybody, and then if nobody plus apostrophe s. You know, 1, its possessive is 1 is possessive once, everybody possessive is everybody's, nobody possessive is nobody's. If I give you 2 examples, it will be clear to you. Suppose sometimes you say one should respect one's elder. One should respect one's elders. Everybody duty is nobody's duty. Actually, if you see everybody's duty, this is possessive, and nobody's duty, this is also possessive. So I like to give you an exceptional example here. You know, there are some exceptional possessives which do not take s or apostrophe s or of. That is summer vacation. This is the possessive, but not summer's vacation. Summer's vacation will not be here, only summer vacation. You know, bus driver, this is also possessive, but it does not take s or yes. Now I like to, this is the time for you to take our homework, my dear students. Now your homework. Very simple. Write 10 more words as possessive. Okay, now thank you very much. Now thank you very much. Thank you everybody.